Hello everyone, it's 𝐟𝐴𝐳𝐻𝐤, the farm manager at the rooftop by 𝐿𝐵𝐶 Farm. I'm going to show you how to use this. Remember the African growers, they come in this box. So how you can take use of it is make sure to make holes in it if it doesn't have holes. So this is all the compost material that we have. So what you do, you put them in, preferably the rotting ones underneath. Put them all here, and then on top of it, that's when see it should be at least half. Then you start putting your cocoa peat or coconut coal. Start filling it up until it's full enough. Okay, now we're going to add this Multicote, 100 grams. You'll find it in your kit, your African growers kit. And you can also add calcium, doesn't matter which one, whether it's gypsum, just 50 grams. Now we're going to put cucumber seedlings. Cucumbers do very well on these containers. Of course, this retains a lot of water, so cucumbers have water. So you just put a hole, should be deep enough for the rooting. Then you just put your cucumber. And this that will only put 2 seedlings in it. Remember, these are heavy feeders, so it should be allow enough space for them to grow and not compete with each other. And voila! Thank you for watching. Let us know what else do you want to know about African growers, what other advice you'd like us to tell you about. Thank you. Keep watching.